SEO PowerSuite just launched a lifetime discount deal on all their products that helps online marketers rank higher, drive traffic, and land clients fast, as it includes tools for rank tracking, site auditing, backlink analysis, and link building, designed to boost your website's visibility and performance. This all-in-one software allows you to streamline your SEO efforts and achieve amazing results with its time-saving features, personalized just for you. You will be getting up to 79% lifetime discount on SEO PowerSuite as your ticket to SEO success. It's not just a deal, it's your golden opportunity to revolutionize your online presence and skyrocket your traffic. Imagine saving significantly on tools you need most. With discounts like 79%, 75%, and 69% this week, your chance to upgrade your SEO game has arrived without breaking the bank. Don't let it slip away. You will get access to tools like Rank Tracker, your secret weapon for unlimited rank monitoring, offers powerful keyword research to help you track global and local positions effortlessly. Seize this chance to dominate the competition. LinkAssistant simplifies link prospecting and outreach, empowering you to discover quality links and enhance your SEO efficiency like never before. Get set to scale new heights in your online marketing game. With SEO SpyGlass harnessing a staggering 6.5 trillion backlink index and crawling billions of pages daily, you'll be armed with the insights necessary to crush the competition and elevate your visibility instantly, and a lot more. Don't miss this opportunity to elevate your online presence at a fraction of the cost. Click the link in the description to learn more and secure your lifetime discount now.